So it's centre versus state government now. Siddaramaiah has blamed the centre, targeted Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and in fact has justified the decision taken by his government. He says petrol diesel price hiked under the Modi regime.
22.26% 72.26 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ಜೂನ್ 24ರಲ್ಲಿ 104 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆಯಿತು. 104 ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಈಗ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಡೀಸೆಲ್ ಬೆಲೆ 57.28 ಇತ್ತು, ಅದನ್ನ 92.15 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಯಾರು ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದವರು? ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿ ಅವರು.
So while the Chief Minister of Karnataka is blaming Prime Minister Modi, calling out Congress over the fuel tax hike, BJP alleged the grand old party's duplicity over price rise has been exposed. BJP leader and former Chief Minister of Karnataka has hit out at Siddaramaiah government, saying that the state government should reverse its decision. Listen to the reactions.
ಈ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ತೀರ್ಮಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರುವಂತಹ ಅಕ್ಷಮ್ಯ ಅಪರಾಧ. ನಾನು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಒತ್ತಾಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ, ಜನರ ಸಂಕಷ್ಟಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಈಗಲಾದರೂ ನೀವು ಏರಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥ ದರವನ್ನು ವಾಪಸ್ ಪಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಒತ್ತಾಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಕಡೆ ಬೆಟ್ಟು ತೋರಿಸೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ.
Well, they came with tall promises. They came with a lot of freebies. Now they don't have money. So is putting money, small money into one pocket and making a big hole in another pocket. So they are pickpocketing the people's money, taxpayers' money, and I'm trying to use it for the promises they have made. Ultimately, it's the common man in Karnataka who is going to suffer because of this.
Well, the Congress is, of course, defending the decision and has blamed the centre for the situation. Listen in.
Central excise, it's more than 35 rupees per litre. Will the government of India reduce that? If the government of India is ready to reduce the central excise, well, all state governments will be happy to reduce it. But first, the government of India must reduce the central excise, 35 plus rupees.
So the Congress there reminding BJP of how the fuel prices in Karnataka are still less and lower if you compare it to other states. Also, Siddaramaiah, they're blaming Prime Minister Narendra Modi, saying who increased the price? It was the Modi government. They've also alleged that their previous government, the previous BJP government in Karnataka, in fact, was hand in gloves with the centre. Back then they kept on increasing the price while the centre reduced the excise. But this time around they are saying that their money has not been released and they have had to increase the price because they are also helping people, rolling out these schemes for their benefit. Deepak.